In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Zendesk notifications. If you're using Zendesk for managing customer support, staying informed about ticket updates is crucial. By default, Zendesk utilizes what are called triggers to send out email alerts anytime certain events occur. These events might include when a new ticket is created, a ticket is assigned to someone, or when a public comment is added. Understanding and customizing these triggers can greatly enhance how effectively you manage communications and keep your team updated. Let's start by exploring where these settings are located. To find and customize these triggers, you'll need to head over to the Admin Center within Zendesk. From there, navigate to Objects and Rules and then click on Business Rules. Once you're here, you'll see Triggers. Think of triggers as automated responses or rules that tell Zendesk to perform specific actions when certain conditions are met. This is your main control hub for your notification settings. Now, if you want to tweak how these notifications work, you've got a few options. You might want to start by looking at your current triggers. Maybe you find that you're getting too many notifications, or not enough, or maybe they're going to the wrong people. This can usually be adjusted or disabled altogether here. Simply click on a trigger to edit it. From there, you can adjust who receives notifications and under what conditions. For instance, you might decide that you only need certain team members notified when a ticket reaches a specific status. But triggers aren't just for limiting notifications. They can be used to direct notifications to exactly where they need to go. Haven't you ever wished emails could go beyond just your internal team and include partners or external consultants? This is possible by setting up new triggers. You can create triggers to send emails tailored to specific users or groups, and even to external mailing lists. This can be hugely beneficial when coordinating efforts across different teams or organizations. Remember, the true power of Zendesk lies in its flexibility. So don't hesitate to experiment with these settings and find what works best for your needs. Just always be sure to test your triggers with a few sample tickets to see how the notifications are distributed, and make adjustments as needed. A small tweak here and there can make a significant difference in your workflow efficiency. So, that's a basic rundown on how to get notifications in Zendesk using triggers. Understanding and adjusting these settings can help keep everyone informed and streamline your customer support process. Let me know if you have any questions or need further assistance. I'm here to help you make the most of your Zendesk setup.